it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this pretty springtime look right here. So if you would like to see how to achieve this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Using my Profusion Spectrum eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Marigold, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner corner of my eyelid using this little flat shader brush. Taking my Sprung Cosmetics Volume 4 palette, I am just going to be applying that pink salmony color right there, and I'm going to be applying that to the center of my lid, again using the same flat shader brush. Going back into my Profusion Spectrum palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Lucky, and I'm going to be applying that to my crease using this little crease brush right here that I got off of Amazon. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using today on my upper lashes is just the Believe Beauty Lash Extended Lengthening Mascara. Now I'm going to pop on a Kasina lash, and these are in the style 76. These are really pretty and really fluttery and very dramatic, so I thought that they would go perfect for this eye look today. I am back, and I went off camera and I did my foundation, my concealer, and my powder. So now we are going to hop back right into the eyes, and we're going to do it the lower lash line. So the very first thing that we are going to do is we're going to take the shade Lucky, and we're going to smudge that along the lower lash line area. Then what I really want to do is I want to add a little bit of color to my waterline. So I'm going to be using this Avon Ultra Luxury eyeliner, and I don't really know what shade this is in, but this is a really dark purple eyeliner. It actually is a bit more brighter in the waterline than it does look like in the pencil form. It looks super dark, but trust me, it's like super bright and really pretty. So we're going to do that, and then for my lower lash mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline the Falsies because this is my favorite mascara ever, especially for the lower lashes. Now I'm going to be using my Benefit Hoola bronzer just to warm up my complexion. This is just the original Hoola bronzer, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. Is highlighter, and for highlighter I'm going to be using the Mary Lou Luminizer from the Balm, and this is just a really pretty soft and subtle highlight that is perfect for everyday use, and this is just a little mini sample size, so that is why mine is tiny. I do eventually plan on getting the full size. And then the highlight brush that I'm using is from Chic, and this is just their Glow Face Brush. Not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Moisturizing Lipstick in the shade Pink Minx, and this is just a really pretty soft pink color, and I feel like it's going to go good with the gloss that I picked out today, which is why I wanted to use it. So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Shimmer Gloss over the top of it. It's a really pretty peach and pink shade, and it really does mute out the color of this lipstick nicely, and it's just going to be a really pretty soft peachy pink glossy type of look, and that is the look that I'm trying to go for today for my lips. Alrighty, so that is the completed spring look. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. I had a lot of fun playing around with makeup today and doing this video for y'all. Makeup is a really good distraction from whatever craziness may be going on in the world, and I just really love it for that reason. So I really want to encourage y'all to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and come and be a part of my Hannah Corners, because I'm here for you with new videos every Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays Saturdays at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. And also, do not forget to give me a follow over on social media as well, so that way you can keep tabs on me, keep up with me, and keep up with all my shenanigans. And so, yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorn.